And thoughts can be such a slippery dip into deeper and darker places, pits, really, where the deeper you go and the longer you ruminate on anything negative, the harder it is to pull yourself out or to be helped to be pulled out. I mean, God is amazing. He can deal with those things quite quickly, and sometimes it can take time. But the message I want to bring across today is that if we stop those thoughts as soon as they enter our mind, if we capture those thoughts, as it says in the Bible, it says 2 Corinthians 10:5, we demolish arguments and every pretension that sets itself up against the knowledge of God, and we take captive every thought to make it obedient to Christ. God's word says that He loves you and that He is for you and He died for you. If you don't know Jesus Christ yet, it's well worth asking Him to show Himself to you, that you may have an opportunity to get to know Him. And in getting to know Him, His working power can deal with those things, can help cleanse us, heal us, and rectify those thought patterns that may have been in play for a time, a short time or a long time.